office and Green Disc The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. This history has been as Registrar's office and Green Disc working been postponed until the preceding signal was a test of weather radio. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz.